I'm cooking chopped spinach with potato. I just cook 5 minutes actually in the water, and I have ingredient right here: onion, tomato, one tomato. I just cut it, chopped garlic, chopped ginger, chopped cilantro, chopped garlic here, and one green chili, very hot actually. This green chili. These are the potato right here. I cut a small 4 potato. I cut it half. I peeled and I cut it half. These are here. This butter will be like a 4 spoon of tablespoon, which measurement is right here. Half is like a 1 tablespoon, 2, 3, 4. This is half, so this is 4 tablespoon of butter. Here's a black seed, cumin seed. This is the red chili or paprika. That's turmeric. Just a little bit stick of cinnamon. Cinnamon keep actually anything is fresh, so also good smell. A little bit half teaspoon of salt. Then I'm going to add it a fenugreek right here. I put it in the water just to dust will go down, because this comes in dry right here. These are the fenugreek comes in this shape, because dry. So this is chopped spinach, which is came in bag, so it's a frozen one which I'm using. So I'm going to add this all in there, everything together. Easy to cook. Nothing is complicated here, so everything will go right here. Then fenugreek, I'm going to add it just. The dust is out, so now I'm going to mix it. I will leave it like when the potato will be tender. It may take like 20 to 30 minutes, depend on the fire, but I'm going to keep it a flame half of the whatever it is here. So it's not going to be slow, like a medium, less than medium basically. Now 1 cup of water, that's it. I'm going to close that and leave it less than medium flame to cook. So it will come very delicious once it will be cooked. So I've been cooking a long time this. They also call Aloo Palak in Asian language. Indian, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Punjabi call Aloo Palak, which is spinach and potato.